Hello everybody! So in this video I'm going to show you how you could still use Microsoft Paint in the newest update of Windows 10. And even the Enterprise Edition you can use it too. So Microsoft announced on the newest, was it the Creators Update, that they were going to remove Microsoft Paint, which has been with Windows for the longest time. And they replaced it with this. It's something called Paint 3D. Right, so this is Paint 3D, and it's actually quite interesting on how you can create stuff. But you go to insert something, it won't let you do it from a camera or scanner, which is a huge deal for me, at least. Even over here, you have your art tools, you have your 3D stickers, text and effects and all that. That's why it's called Paint 3D. So I had to help my family member out and scan something in, and I was trying to do it directly from the printer to the computer, and it worked through MS Paint, but it wouldn't work through the printer because there were certain things I didn't set up and I didn't realize I didn't set up. So here's what I did. I went to Google and I typed MS Paint on Softpedia. And if you look at the top here, it says Microsoft Paint download Softpedia. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on a link. This is Microsoft Paint. I'm going to click download. It says Softpedia secure. Secure download. There we go. So I open it. Click the zip folder. With the zip folder you saw was the Microsoft generic zip folder, and you have an icon right up here. Not sure if you can see it on camera. Right up there, and you double click it. Guess what that is? That is MS Paint. And here's what you do to create the icon right there. This last one is MS Paint. So what you do when you download it is you right click and you click Pin to the taskbar. Alright, so I'm going to exit out of MS Paint, and that is still there, so I'm going to re-click it just to show that it works. And it works. And what's nice, which means that there's still I want to say compatibility issue. No compatibility issue. You just download it and you run it. Which means the files are still there for it. So anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.